Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Today's project is the metal gate restoration project. Here are pictures of the tools and materials for the job, and here are the pictures of the tools. I'll be removing the old paint and rust from the gate with the 3M stripper wheel. It'll get most of the rust out and get down to as much bare metal as we can get with all the rust that's on it. Once we get the gate cleaned with that, we'll be moving on to different coatings to help protect it from rusting again. Now that the gate is pretty much clean, we'll be putting on the coat of Rust-Oleum Rust Stop. I'm using a corner roller to get back in the little corners and make sure it's coated well. Once this coating of Rust Stop is on, we'll be putting Zinsser Bullseye 123 primer on it, which has some rust prohibitive qualities. You notice the roller gets right down in the little corners, so it does a good job. The next coating will be Rust-Oleum Black above water marine paint. Here in Hawaii, where there's lots of salt air and rust is very prevalent, this marine paint will help protect it as much as we can. Use the glossy finish to